Good morning, this is Suniti, and today we're going to do the long awaited Keiki removal from this old Phalaenopsis. So, if you remember, this was a yellow flowering Phalaenopsis and had given rise to two Keikis whose roots have really grown long. So, the Keikis are placed on two stalks, one this one and one here. So, I'm going to cut the bigger one, this one looks kind of big. It's got beautiful leaves and lots of roots, so it should survive on its own. So I'm going to cut off the stalk and place the keiki inside this water pot, and going to use water culture for a few days until I get a proper pot and decide to pot it in the orchid potting medium. So here we go. Snip, snip. I'm just going to cut the stalk that was an old flower spike, and there we go. So beautiful long roots, and let's take this away. So there we go. So that's where it's going to go, and it's going to get semi water culture and a nice dousing and then repotting in orchid medium. Okay, let's see how this survives. I hope having an individual pot will help it to spike. All right, thanks for watching.